Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
What's going on, YouTube community? This is Antoine, the driver of P38. Today, we worked on CYE Black, Close Your Eyes Black, my 2014 Ram 1500 my son's driving. Had 8,000 Kelvin HIDs in it. One of the bulbs went out, and so we decided to upgrade to 10,000 to get that little hint of blue, giving it a little exotic look. Plus, we're tired of people flashing their high beams at the 8,000 because it's that pure white. So try to tone it down a little bit, get a little hint of blue in there, so we're not blinding any drivers, because we always want to be safe. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was quick and easy. Tools that you need: 8mm, 10mm socket, and ratchet wrenches, and pry bar. Flashlight if it gets dark, you need to see in there, and a little bit of patience. Shouldn't take you more than 30-45 minutes to replace the bulbs if you're doing the full set. It still shouldn't take that, but no more than an hour to do both sides. Be patient, take your time, make sure you don't have any extra bolts when you get done, and always do a toolbox inventory when you get done, so you don't have any tools left in the engine bay, and once those pieces get moving, can cause some real damage, and it's going to get expensive. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Got 10,000 Kelvin versus that pure white from the 8,000 Kelvin. So we finished with the 10,000 Kelvin HID bulb swap, and now we're doing our toolbox inventory. Everything we came out with, we're going back in with. The only tools we really used were the 10mm and the 8mm sockets and wrench, the adapter, the extension, and that was it, and the pry bar, and obviously the 4-cell mag light, so we could see in the wheel well to get the back lock off. Quick and simple. Hope you all enjoy, and whoever needs it, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.